Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It held 6. 1, 2,
Heck yeah.
3, 4, 5, 6. It held 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It held 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 11. 11 is the number. Good job. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, quattro. How many was that? 4. So there's 8 in there now. How many was that?
3 or 4.
I think it was 4. So we got 12 in there now. Let's do it one at a time now. Let's do it one at a time. 13. 14. 15. 16. Now let's count and see if it actually was 16. 11, 12, 13, 14.
Okay.
So there was 14. It held 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, it held 6. Good job. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 24, 25. It held 24 pennies.